The basics of California workers' compensation claims.
Hello, everyone. I'm Roger Haig, Managing Partner at Gateway Pacific Law Group. Today, we're diving into the thrilling world of workers' compensation claims in California. Sounds exciting, right? Stick with me. It's more interesting than you think, especially if you've ever wondered what to do after shouting "ouch" at work.
Yes, Roger, workers' compensation claims are exciting to talk about. First things first, after your ouch moment, report your injury to your employer. You have a limited time to report your injury. So report your injury as soon as you become aware you are injured. Once reported, your employer should hand you a claim form quicker than a cat video goes viral. Fill it out, return it, and voila, your claim is on its way. It is very sus if they don't hand you a form. In those cases, you could consider contacting an attorney immediately. After you start your claim, you will begin medical treatment.
That's right, Jarvis. After your claim is in motion, you'll need medical attention, preferably from a doctor who knows more about treating workplace injuries than WebMD. Initially, your employer may direct you to a specific doctor, but after 30 days, you and your attorney can choose a new medical provider if necessary.
While treating with a medical provider, make sure you let them know about your condition at each visit so they can document. It is important to create accurate medical records. Next, we'll talk a little about the deposition and qualified medical exam process.
Sometimes you might have to participate in a deposition, which is a question and answer session that is under oath. The primary purpose of the deposition is to get information about your work-related injury, your medical treatment, and how your injury impacts your personal and professional life. It will be used at a qualified medical exam, or QME, and, if necessary, at trial.
Excellent point, Roger. Let's talk about the qualified medical exam, also known as a QME. If there's a disagreement over your injury or benefits, you or your attorney, if you are represented by one, or the insurance company can request a QME. The QME is an independent doctor chosen from a prepared list containing the names of 3 doctors. The QME will review your medical records, your deposition transcript, if you had a deposition, examine you, and then provide medical opinions on your injury. The QME is crucial because it can determine the fate of your claim, much like the final rose in The Bachelor. Their report can influence how much compensation you receive, so it's essential to take this step seriously. It's not quite a rose ceremony, but it's important. Most workers' compensation cases settle before a trial. Sometimes cases will settle before a QME, and many times the parties can agree on a settlement after the QME issues their report.
In workers' compensation cases, settlements are called compromise and releases, or C&Rs. You and the insurance company agree on a one-time payment to close out the claim. The settlement generally represents the medical treatment and all the related costs that you'll likely incur in receiving that treatment. Pain and suffering, emotional distress, and many other damages meant to right a wrong are not recoverable in workers' compensation cases. If you feel like you've been wronged at work, you should also consult an employment attorney.
Let's briefly talk about a workers' compensation trial. In some rare cases, like finding a polite comment section online, your workers' comp case might go to trial. This happens if there's a significant dispute that no amount of negotiation can resolve. If this happens, you should seriously consider retaining an attorney to be with you every step of the way, like a trusty sidekick in a superhero movie.
And there you have it, an exciting roller coaster ride through the world of California workers' compensation claims. Remember, at Gateway Pacific Law Group, we're here to guide you through every twist and turn, ensuring that you get the justice and compensation you deserve. So if you've had your own ouch moment at work, don't hesitate to reach out. Until next time, stay safe and watch out for those workplace hazards.